take a look at the calendar and see if we can figure out what the date in October is. We're not very far into October, but we are in the second week of October. So let's see if we can say our days of the week, and when we get over to this one, that'll be what day today is, because here's the card we're going to turn over. You ready? Say them with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today's going to be Tuesday when we figure that out. What comes after Tuesday? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days in every week. We don't skip a Sunday or a Saturday or a Tuesday or say, oh, this week let's just not have a Wednesday. We always have 7 days, and they always start with Sunday and end with Saturday. So we figured out today is Tuesday. Now we have to figure out what number, what the date is, what number is under this card. So let's count over and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's say the date together. Today is Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. Good job. Now, today we're going to look at some little math equations, or you might hear it called a number sentence. Okay, we can make a number sentence or an equation with math numbers. So I used some shapes over here to make some equations with pictures, and then I used numbers here. All right, same thing, doesn't make any difference. So if I have one rectangle and I get another rectangle, how many rectangles do I have altogether? So this says 1 plus 1 equals, okay? If I have one rectangle and I get one more, how many will I have altogether? I'll have 2. Now, if I have 2 triangles and I get another one, how many will I have altogether? Let's see, let's count them up here. 1, 2, 3. I'll have 3 altogether. Now I have 3 little baby rectangles here, and I get a big rectangle. So how many rectangles do I have all together? I have 3 baby ones and 1 big one. So let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll have 4. Now I use numbers down here, all right? So this equation or number sentence says 4 plus 1 equals. So if I have 4 apples and someone gives me 1 more, how many apples will I have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, I had 5 apples. I had those 5 apples, and someone came along and gave me 1 more. So there's 5 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then those 6 apples, I had 6 already, and somebody gave me another one. How many would I have then? 5 plus, or 6 plus another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would have 7 altogether. All right. Now, let's look at we're going to write a sentence today, and we're going to use color words. Now, what in the world does that mean? I'm going to use color words? I don't know what that means. It means that when like red, blue, yellow, the words for those colors, I'm going to use those today. And you're going to learn to recognize those words. All right? So words like red, blue, orange, pink, purple, and those are on your name tag that you have in your supplies. They're under the shapes, so you can study them from there too. Those color words, okay? And you'll need to recognize those. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to write a sentence with some color words. So my sentence is going to be, I like red, blue, and pink. How many words do I need for my whole thought? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6 words for my whole thought. I like red, blue, and pink. All right. So the first word was I, and I'm talking about me. And if I wrote Miss Morrissey up here, I would use capital letters because that's my name. And when you write your name, you would use a capital letter at the beginning. So when you say I, you're important, so you need a capital letter. Plus, it's the first word of the sentence, so you put a capital letter. So it's going to say, I, what was the second word? Like. So I'm going to put my fingers down so I leave a nice space, and I'm going to write the word like. Oh, what does like start with? L. And I heard a long I. Oh, I. And I heard a K. There's a silent E at the end. I like. Now I'm going to use a marker for my color word. And you tell me what color word this says. I like red, R-E-D, red. Now I'm going to put a comma here because I'm making a list. The next color word is, I like red, blue. You hear the B at the beginning of blue? I like red, blue, and my last word was, let's see, I like red, blue, and I need one more, pink. And I'm already using a pink marker. Pink starts with P and it ends with that K sound. Ink. Oh, I put a period at the end just automatically because I know that's what I do at the end of my thought. I put a period so people know I'm finished. Okay, let's see if we can read it together. I like red, blue, and pink. So today, look at your name tag and look at those color words and see if maybe you could practice writing those color words today, because you'll need to start learning to recognize them so you can read them. How exciting. See you next time.